Hi students, welcomes to your channel MRNS Educational and Social Service. Now dear students, we discuss type 4 of differential equations. What is this? Type 4. It is very important type. Maximum questions may ask from this method. One IP question is come from this method. So linear differential equation, an equation of the form dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x, where p of x and q of x are functions in x. This is very important. Functions in x. Students, dy by dx, p of x into y. Please remember, only two y's. One is in dy by dx, other is in y. These are the functions in x is called linear differential equation in linear differential equation. Here we have y, so it is called linear differential equation in y. Okay na students? Similarly we have a linear differential equation in x, that is like this. Similarly, dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. X remaining are functions in y. Remaining terms are functions in y. Here x multiple in terms of y. Here multiple of y is in terms of x. It is called linear differential equation in x. How to solve this type of equations? See students, to solve any equation, we convert this into the perfect form. What form? Perfect form. That is very important. How to convert this differential equation into perfect form? Let us say like this. For example, you take this differential equation, multiply to this equation on both sides with e power integration p of x dx. See, it is very important. Why do you multiply this to this on both sides? To convert it to the perfect differential form. Perfect differential form. When you multiply this to this equation, see, e power integration p of x dx into dy by dx plus e power integration p of x dx into p of xy equal to q of x into e power integration p of x dx. To solve this equation, I multiply e power integration p of x dx on both sides. Now observe students here. Observe here, e power integration p of x dx into same function is here but no derivative terms. So we can write these two terms like this: d by dx of y into e power integration p of x dx. See, here we have product, into is there. Using UV rule, this value into its derivative becomes this. This into y derivative is dy by dx. plus UV rule is plus y into, we have to differentiate this one. Derivative of e power x is e power x. That means derivative of this is e power integration p of x dx. By chain rule, differentiate this. Derivative of integration becomes px. Already I told you now, y into. So this whole value becomes d by dx of y into e power integration of p of x dx, which is equal to q of x e power integration of p of x dx. My dear students, if you multiply to this equation with this, it becomes a perfect differential form. Cross multiply dx, we get d of y into e power integration p of x dx equal to q of x e power integration p of x dx into dx. It is a perfect differential form. To get this, we multiplied here. See, to get this form, we multiplied given equation to with e power integration p of x dx. So this is called integrating factor. Factor for what? Integrating factor for what? To this differential equation. Because factor means you multiply this to this equation, this becomes perfect differential form. So it is known as integrating factor. Integrating factor IF, we denoted as a IF simply. Now on integrating derivative differential getting cancelled, solution is like this. On integrating, we becomes y into integrating factor, because this is integrating factor, equal to integration q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. So this is the solution of the differential equation. So what is the solution of the differential equation, students? Y into integrating factor. Integrating factor is e power integration p of x dx equal to the RHS value. RHS value is q of x. Q of x into integrating factor dx plus c. So like this we can find integrating solution of this differential equation. In similar way, in place of y, here we have x. In place of px, here we have py. Now solution of this differential equation is by this method: x into integrating factor integration q of y into integrating factor dx plus dy rayali plus c. What is the integrating factor here? Integrating factor is if equal to e power integration. Here function is p of y into dy. So like this we can find solution of this differential equation. Well, let us see example, students. See, my dear students, linear differential equations are in two forms. One is linear differential equation in y, that is dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. Its solution is y into integrating factor integration q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c, where integrating factor is e power integration p of x dx. P of x is nothing but y coefficient. Q of x, RHS function in x, RHS lo function. Alage similarly linear differential equation in x, that is dx by dy p of y into x equal to q of y. Its solution is x into integrating factor integration q of y into integrating factor. Here is y function, so dy plus c. Here integrating factor is, what is here x coefficient? P of y. E power integration P of y dy. So these two are linear differential equations. One is differential equation in y, another one is differential equation x. Let us see examples. Students, let us see this example. I told you one method is variable separable method. Second method is homogeneous differential equation method. Third one is non-homogeneous differential equation method. This problem is not belongs to those three methods. We can't separate same kind of variables one side to this question. We can't separate. Similarly, it is not a homogeneous equation because degrees are different. 1 x cube, x square power y, y power is 1. Here is sine square function. Similarly, it is not a non-homogeneous because non-homogeneous function is dy by dx equal to a1x plus b1y plus c1 by a2x plus b2y plus c2. So, let us think, is it belongs to the linear differential equation in x or y? Y. So, it is a linear differential equation. So, linear differential equation format is dy by dx plus p of x into y equal to q of x. It is purely in terms of x by multiple. It is purely in terms of x. Here dy by dx coefficient is 1. If you have anything cross multiply, here we have 1 plus x cube, cross multiply it. Now it becomes dy by dx plus, when you cross multiply it becomes 3x square by 1 plus x cube into y equal to sine square x by 1 plus x cube. Now here is purely in terms of x. Here is purely in terms of x. So it seems to be like this. Both are same model. Here p of x is 3x square by 1 plus x cube. Q of x is sine square x by 1 plus x cube. The solution of this differential equation is, what? Y into if. If is integrating factor. Integration of q of x into integrating factor into dx plus c. So first you find integrating factor. So integrating factor is e power integration p of x dx. E power integration 3x square by 1 plus x cube dx. Dear students, observe here. 1 plus x cube derivative is in numerator. Its derivative in numerator. If you have like this, it becomes a log of 1 plus x cube. I told you now 3 plus 9 formula. So f dash x by f of x dx equal to log mod f of x plus c. But don't write c, because c is some constant, we can cross multiply. When you here base are equal, log getting cancelled. E power log 1 plus x cube base e, both are equal. That means it becomes 1 plus x cube. Now integrating factor is 1 plus x cube. Substitute this integrating factor here. Y into 1 plus x cube equal to integration of q of x is, it is q of x sine square x by 1 plus x cube into 1 plus x cube dx plus c. 1 plus x cube getting cancelled. Here we have integration sine square. If you have power, convert this into the multiple angle. So integration of sine square x is 1 minus cos 2x by 2 into dx plus c. Take by 2 as outside, 1 by 2. Integration of 1 is x minus. Integration of cos is sine 2x. X coefficient by 2 plus c. So my dear friends, finally solution of this differential equation, y into 1 plus x cube, multiply 1 by 2 inside, x by 2, 1 by 2 here by 2, minus 1 by 4 sine 2x plus c. This is the answer. We may convert this answer according to the options. Okay. See this example. Solve x plus 2y cube into dy by dx equal to y square. Dear students, in objective point of view, they may ask integrating factor only, or in some questions they may ask complete solution. See, x plus 2y cube into dy by dx equal to y square. What I told you, linear differential equation is only dy by dx, no other value here, plus p of x into y equal to q of x. It is linear differential equation in y. Another form is dx by dy plus p of y into x equal to q of y. Here is purely in y terms. Here is purely in x terms. dy y dx x. So try to convert this equation into any one of the form. See, here this value into, don't cross multiply here because we can't separate like this. X plus 2y cube equal to y square into dx by dy. Cross multiply dy by dx. Now, here is x. Bring this x to this side. Write down like this. Y square into dx by dy minus x equal to 2y cube. Understood? See, x, LDE in y, x, it is LDE in x. Divide with y square, students, because here there is no other terms except 1. So dx by dy minus 1 by y square into x equal to 2y. When you divide with y square, only y term is left. Now, when you compare this with LDE in x, p of y is minus 1 by y square, q of y is 2y. Find out integrating factor. E power integration minus 1 by y square dy. My dear students, 1 by y square, write down y power minus 2. Integrating it. So e power minus 2 means minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. It becomes what? E power minus of y power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1. E power minus, tell me, e power minus 1. Here is minus becomes plus 1 by y. So here integrating factor is e power 1 by y. Therefore, solution is x into if equal to integration of q of y into if into dy plus c implies x into e power 1 by y equal to 2y into e power 1 by y dy plus c. Now we can solve this one by taking substitution. Here is e power 1 by y. If you have anything here, let it be this as a t. Let it be this as a t. That is very, very important. So to solve this integration, put 1 by y equal to t, y equal to 1 by t. dy is equal to minus 1 by t square dt. Substitute 2 into y value is 1 by t, e power 1 by y is t, dy is minus 1 by t square dt plus c. It becomes t into t square, t cube. So minus 2 into integration e power t into 1 by t cube dt plus c. So by using Euler form we can integrate this one. Okay now. Next question, very important question. See this one. X plus y plus 1 into dy by dx equal to 1. Students, don't cross multiply this. Just we have to cross multiply dy by dx. X plus y plus 1 equal to dx by dy. Now here we have x. Take this x term only this side. So dx by dy minus x equal to y plus 1. See x. It is linear differential equation in x. So here p of y equal to minus 1, q of y equal to y plus 1. My dear students, our differential form is dx by dy equal to p of y into x equal to q of y. Plus is there, plus, but here I have minus, so p of y equal to minus 1. Now if equal to integration e power minus 1 p of y dy, e power integration minus 1 dy e power minus y. Solution is LD in x, so x into if equal to integration of q of y into if into dy plus c. Implies x into if is e power minus y plus 1 into e power minus y dy plus c. My dear students, here we have product of two functions. By using Euler, it is an algebraic function. What is the by parts formula? Integration of f of x g of x dx. First function into integration of second function dx minus integration of derivative of first function integration of g of x dx whole dx. This is the by parts formula. Here we have product of two functions. In that case, use by parts formula by taking order Euler form. Tell me, it is the take this as a first function y plus 1 integration of e power minus y dy into derivative of, here function is y, write down dy term, don't write x, y plus 1 integration of e power minus y dy whole dy plus c. Understood? Now y plus 1 integration of e power minus y is minus e power minus y. Y coefficient by అవుతుంది మైనస్ కాబట్టి పైన రాశాను. Minus its derivative is 1. This different integration is e power minus y dy plus c. Minus of y plus 1 e power minus y. Minus into minus plus. Again integration of e power minus y becomes minus e power minus y plus c. This whole value equal to x into e power minus y. Multiply with e power y on both sides. Multiply with e power y. E power y into e power minus y 1. This becomes x equal to e power y. This value becomes 1. Minus of y plus 1. When you multiply with e power y, this value becomes minus 1 plus c into e power y. We multiply with e power y on both sides. C into e power y. C. That is very important. See, this implies x equal to Minus of y plus 1 minus 1 becomes minus of y plus 2 plus c into e power y. Bring this negative term to this side, it becomes x plus y plus 2 equal to c into e power y. So this is the solution of this differential equation. So my dear students, do it. Other examples also in this form. నా వీడియోస్ కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. బాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, జై హింద్.